Hi guys, welcome to Current Information TV YouTube channel. We are farming to about the earthquake updates. Today earthquake is occurred in Papua New Guinea. According to the German research geological says a strong magnitude 5 earthquake landing 9 km north of Agen, Papua New Guinea. The 23 February 2022 occurred at 3:25 p.m. local time and its depth was recorded at 98 km. For more new information visit my YouTube channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe and press bell icon on the all for notification. Thank you.